West Lake, the central inspiration of Chinese garden style and a muse to the Chinese literati for centuries, Hangzhou's West Lake epitomizes China's natural charm, refinement and beauty. Laced with temples and pagodas, Hangzhou's West Lake is a source of Buddhist architecture and traditional Chinese ideologies.
Temple of Inspired Seclusion, the most famous Buddhist temple in Hanzhou. The Temple of Inspired Seclusion dates back to the 4th century during the Eastern Jin dynasty when it was founded by an Indian monk named Hui Li. Though it has been destroyed throughout time due to war, religion, and disrepair, the temple today is an important place of pilgrimage for followers of Buddhist religion and a center for tourism.
Meijiawu tea has long played an important role in China. At Meijiawu village, enjoy the opportunity to see how tea is cultivated and sample a cup of local tea yourself.